One, I'm taking the snake off ramp here from the N12. So yesterday when I looked for it, we didn't get it. So I'm going to take snake and see if it's actually taking snake here. So I'm on the N12 already. Okay guys, I've got the vehicle. Going towards Davidton N12. I'm behind the vehicle.
Okay, how far are you? You send us a live location, November Juliet 1.
Okay, I'm on the N12. I'm climbing N12 direction Davidton now.
Okay, monitored. I'm about 1 mic from the N12, so I'm gonna see you.
Stolen vehicle. This one. Okay, I've got members of EMPD with me now.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider, using sophisticated ANPR technology, supported by an in-house development team, coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, SNIPR continues to break the mold and set the benchmark in vehicle recovery, ultimately making our communities safer every day. Our process is as follows. Camera. All number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced with numerous national databases. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert in real time with our 24-hour validation center. Lights. The alert comes through on our live feed and is validated by one of our dedicated dispatchers. A map showing the vehicle's estimated travel distance is generated. Our dispatcher leaves feedback on the SNIPR system and contacts the necessary role players. Action. If a vehicle is confirmed as positive, a recovery is actioned. The nearest responder receives the information and moves to intercept the vehicle. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information